Welcome back to the Bronco Nation, your place for all things Bronco. Today, we're going to be changing the color of the Bronco letters on the front of the grille. The Ford Performance black Bronco letters are a great way to change the look of your Bronco without breaking the bank. This project should only take about 30 minutes to complete, and these are the tools you'll need to finish the job. The thing that I love about this kit is that it's super easy to install and it doesn't require any drilling. First, clean the letters thoroughly for the best application. Next, test fit the letters to make sure that they all fit. Take note that the first O has one notch at the bottom, while the last O has two notches at the bottom. Also, the N has a notch that will face down, not up. Then, peel off the 3M adhesive backing and stick the letters pressing firmly. So that's it, super easy to install and it looks great. We'll put links in the description below where you can pick up a set if you want to put this on your Bronco. And remember, Bronco Nation members get exclusive pricing on everything in the Bronco Nation store. Hey, make sure to stick around. We're going to be doing more videos with this Bronco, getting it ready for the trail.